Hello friends, today we are making delicious creamy chicken enchiladas. This simple recipe is sure to become a family favorite, so let's get started. You will need about 2 cups of green chili enchilada sauce, 3 cups shredded cheese of your choice, we're using cheddar, about 16 corn tortillas, 5 cups of shredded chicken. We cooked a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. You can also use store-bought rotisserie. A 4-ounce can of green chilies, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, 5 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon ground cumin, and 2.5 cups of chicken broth. On medium heat, melt 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once your butter is melted, add 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix constantly until roux becomes very smooth. Continue cooking for 1 to 2 minutes. Add your chicken broth to the roux, slowly at first. Mix in the rest of your broth and whisk until the sauce has thickened. Reduce heat to low and allow to cook uncovered for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder, then stir. Next, add half a cup of green chili enchilada sauce and a 4-ounce can of green chilies, then stir. Continue cooking uncovered for 5 minutes on low heat, stirring frequently. Turn your heat off and set your sauce aside. At this point, you will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet on medium heat. Add a tortilla. Here you do not want to cook the tortilla, just warm it up for a few seconds on each side to make them pliable. Repeat the process for all of your tortillas, adding small amounts of oil as needed. Add 2/3 of a cup of green chili enchilada sauce to the bottom of a 9x13 dish. Spread evenly. Next, place a tortilla in the sauce and add desired amount of cheese and chicken. Roll the tortilla tightly and position the enchiladas in a row. Repeat this process for all of your tortillas. Scoop all of the sauce over your rolled enchiladas and spread evenly. Top with desired amount of cheese. Place into your preheated oven and bake uncovered for 30 to 40 minutes. Remove from oven and allow to cool for about 15 minutes before serving. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you like this recipe as much as we do. Enjoy!